The Bishop team does a lot to get a home ready, and this house had a lot to get done. So come along, we're gonna show you from the beginning to the end how we did it and how we got such success here at 27222 Lost Colt in Laguna Hills, Nellie Gail. Hey guys, we've got this great opportunity. I want you to take a look. It's a house that somebody bought and they were actually gonna tear it down. They've had it for a couple of years and now we've decided to sell, but come on and take a look. This beautiful grass, we've got a little bit of work to do there. Now the home is actually beautiful and never need to be torn down, but our owner was a really nice guy and he called Habitat for Humanity and he kind of gave away a lot of the stuff in the home thinking he was tearing it down. So all we need to do is put it back together, put a little bow on it, get it ready, and we're gonna be in top-notch shape. We're gonna point out to you the carpet. We know we need a little bit of stretching here because it's gotten buckled up. In the meantime, we did a little soil study, so we've got nice pieces of tile that are sitting around. I'm sure you like that door handle, right? Little things make a difference, but we're gonna change that out. I got really excited, had this great idea to put this beautiful centerpiece light up here, but I measured and you know what? It's just gonna hang too low. So I gotta go back to the drawing board on that one. We are replacing plugs because these are a little old style, so we're gonna get some new plugs in here. Our microwave is looking real good. We're working on getting that out. It's a little bit of a trick on how to get it out because it's fit in there real tightly, but when the job's done, it's gonna be beautiful. This had a great butcher block on it. Looks phenomenal, but it's gone off and been donated to somebody. So we're gonna get the butcher block back on here, making it look real good. Come along, you can see. Here's some knobs that have been replaced already. Looking good, so we're in progress on that. Totally loving our fireplace. So this doesn't really need any work at all. Just a little cleaning when the time comes. So that, beautiful. We're all ready and set to go. We've got smoke detectors that we need to replace, and we donated the entryway light as well. So a few little lighting things that we're gonna do here and there. This room is beautiful. Love that window. Wait till you see it all ready to go for our new owners. Now we did turn the electricity off, so it's a little bit dark. Let me see, I've got one light back here. Oh, got some cobwebs going on. We're gonna replace, we're gonna replace the cobwebs with some new fixtures. All right, so check out these vintage knobs. We might be able to get some good money on eBay for that. But we're thinking it's time to get rid of those and put some new ones in, so you're gonna see a transformation on that. Uh-oh, we gave away the knobs here too on these cabinets. So we got a little work there, plus the cobwebs and the attic. I think we're gonna close that off. Might be a good idea. We got a little bit more here, you know, because we were doing some soils testing when we were gonna do a whole new house. So we're gonna get those replaced. We donated mirrors and knobs again. Gonna get some new ones in here, make it look spiffy and great. This bathroom's beautiful. It's gonna look like a charm. We definitely have work out here. Check it out. This is gonna be beautiful grass very, very soon. Well, see, when we were waiting for plans to get approved, we kind of let it go a little and there's some gophers and stuff going on, but it's time to go bye-bye. While I was out here doing my gardening, I noticed that we had a wall that fell over. So I'm gonna get my muscles on and we're gonna get this thing put back together. Or I might just call in some little bit of extra help on that one. We got lots of weeds here. I'm a little nervous. All right, we are gonna transform this yard into this.
You might have noticed that we've got the grass in. So old-fashioned curb appeal still matters. As people either see the photos or drive up to see the house, you want the front to look really nice. Hey, our next phase is starting to move the furniture in to stage the home so it looks great for a buyer, shows them the possibilities of the home. So we're gonna decorate each room and get it all set up. All right, we're setting up the family room. Right now there's nothing in here, but we wanna make it feel homey, so we're gonna stage this room next. All right, the sod is in, the weeds are gone. We're getting ready to be able to shoot for our content package and get everything ready to go. All right, now that staging is all done, we're ready to create our content package. That includes video, photos, aerial, 3D Matterport, the whole package. So that's next. After we prepared the home, then came the mega open house. We had almost 300 people through, and within 5 days, we had generated 6 offers, all of them at or over asking price, and finally put the deal together, and we're closing soon.
The entryway is ever so important. We replaced all of the hardware here on the door, along with painting the front door a new fresh color. When you come in, we put a new light fixture as well. These are great simple tricks. Now it feels fresh and ready.
One little touch that we were able to do to kind of enhance the curb appeal of the home is we added black bark here in this flower bed. Helps the flowers and the plants pop. It really shows fresh and new. So as buyers walk up to the house, it's got the right look that we're trying to create.
People really love to feel just homey and loved when they come to a front door. We added these pots of flowers, making it feel like you're just coming into an area that's flowing with a lot of love and ready for you.
So as we walk through a home and help get it ready, of course, we've got the aesthetic things that we work on. Other things that we want to make sure that are in line and ready for the inspection are like smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors. One of the things that we did as we're getting the property ready is we went ahead and had the termite inspection. That way we knew if there was any woodwork that might need to be replaced, if any treatment needed to be done, so that if a buyer asked for that, we knew what they were asking for and we were prepared for our seller. Other things to keep in mind are the GFIs in the kitchen, the bathroom, all outdoor outlets, all bathrooms need to be protected by those GFI switches so that someone doesn't get electrocuted. One of the things we noticed that there were 2 appliances that weren't working or actually missing. One is the microwave was broken, so we went ahead and put a new one in. They're not that expensive, but it looked way better than the old one. And also the wine fridge was missing, so we put that in as well. Again, it adds a nice touch and look to the kitchen.
A new light in the dining room always shows it off well.
So when we first got here, there was no gas to the home. The home hadn't been lived in, so the gas was shut off. We did want to go ahead and get that turned on, have the gas company do their safety check, because during an inspection and sometimes during an appraisal, those utilities will need to be on in the home. And per the contract, remember, the utilities are supposed to be on until you close escrow, so that on the final walkthrough, everything is still working. So don't turn them off too soon.
This Dutch door is quite a feature, and we did replace all of the hardware, making it really stand out and shine. New locks, new hardware, what a beauty. Now we're ready for a great barbecue.
The staging that we did here really created a warm feeling. Everybody that came through the open houses and the showings commented on it, how it really made the home feel like somewhere they wanted to be rather than cold and echoey like a vacant home. A couple of the outside outlets did need to be replaced with GFI protected outlets, and that was in place so that when the inspector came by, he gave us thumbs up.
How beautiful is this yard? Such a transformation from when we first saw the house. The grass is flowing, the birds are chirping, we can hear roosters next door. And over here, we used to have planters with all kinds of vegetables and fruit. We've set it back up for the new owner, and they can even imagine putting a pool in or anything else that they might want.
In addition to cleaning up and generally sprucing things up, power washing the cement, we added a little bit of color to give it a little pop so that when buyers came through, they could really get emotionally attached to the home.
When we first came to this property, we didn't even know there was an entire platform up here that the steps led up to because it was covered in grass and weeds. At the open house, we had tons of people walking the hill. One couple sat up in these chairs for a good 2 hours just enjoying how beautiful the yard was. So it's important to point these things out, uncover what the property has so that the new owner can see it. Getting the most out of your house is what we do best. The Bishop team is here for you. We've transformed this property. Our owners are so happy with the sale, and we do it every day. We would be so honored to help you. Every house is different, and we've got lots of ideas.
Call us before you're even thinking about putting your home on the market. We can work with you months and years ahead of time, do some improvement that you're going to enjoy, and then when it comes time to sell, you're going to get the record price.
We'd be honored to work with you and change your home into gold. I'm Vickie.
And I'm Jim, and we're with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Orange County, California.